In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly swap the position of two values in Excel. Let's say you're working in Excel, and you realize that two cells have the right values, but they're in the wrong places. Maybe two names are reversed, or two numbers are in the wrong order. Instead of retyping or copying and pasting them one by one, there's a simple and much faster way to swap them. Start by opening your Excel file and locating the two cells you want to swap. These can be in the same column, the same row, or even in completely different parts of the sheet. What matters is that you can select both of them at the same time. To do that, click on the first cell to select it. Then, hold down the Control key on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac. While still holding that key, click on the second cell. Now, both cells should be highlighted at once. This multiple selection is what makes the quick swap possible. With both cells selected, move your mouse pointer to the edge of one of the highlighted cells. You want to hover right on the border of the selection, not inside the cell itself. When you're in the right spot, your cursor will change to a four-sided arrow. That cursor means you're ready to drag the selection. Now, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. This is important. The Shift key is what tells Excel to swap rather than just move. While still holding Shift, click and drag the border of the selection toward the other cell's position. As you drag, you'll see a faint outline showing where the cells will go. Drag until the outline overlaps the other cell's location. Then release the mouse button first, and then let go of the Shift key. Excel will instantly swap the contents of the two cells. The first cell's value moves to the second cell, and the second cell's value moves to the first, all in one smooth action. If the swap doesn't look right, you can always press Ctrl-Z or Command-Z on a Mac to undo and try again. The key things to remember are: select both cells, drag from the edge, and hold Shift while you drag. Once you get used to it, this becomes a really quick way to fix small mistakes and reorder values without retyping anything.